Morning. Let's go and make the bed. Okay guys, I'm done cleaning up the house. The house looks beautiful. It's nice and clean, smells amazing. I just have to go and do the dishes. Marvel is here relaxing, and let me show you, my mom is enjoying here in the patio. She is enjoying the greenery, the plants. She fixed up all the plants so nicely and then watered them and everything, so they all look really nice and healthy. These are about to grow. Green chili plants will be growing and everything. And she is here enjoying the greenery. Yep. And Marvel keeps roaming near Mama like to play with her. Marvel, you come here. Can you come inside, please? Anyways, the day is very beautiful. Marvel is right here playing with my feet and his piggy. Right, Marvel? Marvel? Yes. Are you playing here? Yes. So mom doesn't have to do any cooking, so she's just sitting here because I said you don't have to cook any more Indian food. I'm gonna cook for you. I'm gonna make a very delicious whole grain pizza for her for lunch. So that is going to be the lunch, and then evening for dinner we are gonna go to Ethiopian restaurant. And she has never eaten Ethiopian food. I'm sure she's gonna love it because the ingredients are so much similar to Indian food. But yeah, it's very delicious. So that is the plan, and yeah, that is what is happening. I'm gonna go do dishes now, and I'll see you guys in some time. Okay guys, so pizza plan for making pizza is cancelled because the whole grain strawberry crust that we got has expired. So I'm making white asparagus now and one hash brown for Mama because she wanted to taste it, and we're finishing off the leftover. So that is what we are doing. I have white asparagus here. This is the first time trying white one because I always get the green one, and it was the first time we saw white asparagus. So do let me know in the comment section below if you have tried it and did you like it or not. Anyway, so I add a little bit of olive oil, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder are going to be the seasoning for my asparagus. And let's make it. Okay guys, here is the lunch. This is white asparagus for me, mom and Mayank, and parathas, leftover food, and she's enjoying my food. We are gonna all eat it now. Okay guys, so the flavor of white asparagus is exactly same as the green one. Crunchy, delicious. Okay, so my parcel just got delivered from Amazon, but you're not getting it. Get off! So let's see what we have. Well, I know what is there, but okay. First thing, we wanted to have some nice non-stick pans. So that is what we got delivered. Here, take this. Go. So we got, this is from, which one is this? This is Green Life, and it has, wait, let me tell you, it has ceramic non-stick. This is hold on. This is lead free, cadmium free, PFOA free, PFAS free. I don't know what all that is, but Maya knows it properly. And it works on gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, everything. And it has, I mean, what quality is this, babe? Which quality is this one?
Ceramic. Just right.
Okay, ceramic, just ceramic.
This is ceramic based non-stick coating. It is basically lead and cadmium free.
Yeah.
You can get, so this is toxic free pan.
Yeah, this is like toxic free pan. So we got them in 2 sizes, and then over here we have this amazing car vacuum that you wanted for a car. Yeah, and this vacuum works on wet and dry. So dusty or wet, everything, and it has like the suction power is really strong, so that is good. Marvel is playing with that, all the plastic bags over there. I need to go and pick it up now. I'm gonna eat it.
ये दोनों साइड तो मैं स्टील वाला यूज करने के लिए अंडे बनने के लिए ऑमलेट के लिए सबके लिए
बेसिकली और ये सब्जी फेमस है कि इसमें ऑयल डालने की जरूरत नहीं है अंडा बनाने की।
हाँ,
डायरेक्ट तोड़ दीजिए इसको।
So this pan has a quality like you don't need to even apply a little bit spray or a drop of oil also to make egg. So I'm gonna try that and let you guys know how it is whenever I make. But yes, this is from Hotor brand, HOTOR, and the power is 106 and all that stuff. And we have to vacuum a little bit of our car, so we'll definitely tell you guys how it is. But it had really good reviews on Amazon. We got all these things from Amazon. It has a stainless steel filter, so you don't really have to keep buying filters to change it. You just wash it, dry it, and done.
And there's an extra filter.
Yeah. Oh, and there's an extra filter also included. And it has a hose, and yes. So there's one filter in there, and this one is the extra one. And it is 16 feet long. Yeah, this is 16 feet long, so it can go perfectly in your like entire car. You can just cover the car, and it has a brush, and let me see what all this is. And the best part is you don't really need this box to keep this. It has a bag, so you can just carry everything in this bag. Your car will not even look dirty. Super excited! And it has this thing where it gets attached to your, I don't know what the word is, but you guys can understand, I'm sure. This thing. And this is just for the car. If you go a little bit more expensive, you can get the one that works in the car and like in your house also. It will work both ways. But this is just for car. And what else do we have? Yep, that's it. What he's doing. Marvel. Marvel, can you give me that box, please? I need it. Can I throw it now? Please give it to me. No? Do you want to bite on that? Are you being a bad boy, Marvel? Anyways, so now I'm just gonna let him play for some time and then take it from him. But for now, I'm gonna go and make creme brulee for mom. I'm also gonna show her how I make it. So that is the plan. That is what we're going to do. So let's go and get started. Okay, so I'm making creme brulee. And I have 3 egg yolks here with some sugar, and vanilla essence is here. My heavy cream is like, I'm just heating it up. My ramen bowls are ready, and I'm going to make delicious creme brulee for dessert tonight. That is what is happening. I'll definitely make a video one day for this recipe. It's very easy, very simple, very less ingredients, and you guys can enjoy it then. We are getting ready to go and have dinner at Ethiopian restaurant. That's right. So the last time we had Ethiopian food was in Atlanta, and this is gonna be our first time trying it in West Palm Beach. So super excited to go and eat that food. We love it. So that's why we wanted mom also to try the food. So we are just taking her there, and whenever I don't want to apply any makeup, I just wash my face, apply my moisturizer, a little bit of compact. This is from Estee Lauder. This is the one that I use, and lipstick. That's it. And for blush, sometimes I use this. This is from Burt's Bee, and this is the lilac. Hold on. This is the lilac color, and this is what I use for blush sometimes. It has coconut and the color, so you can see the coconut in the middle. I really love it. It's a lip and cheek stick, and that is what I'm doing. Apply some lipstick. It is actually cold outside, so I'm gonna wear my jacket and go. So lipstick done. Blush. You can see it'll give a very nice color, and because I have dry skin, this helps me a lot. So you can see a little bit of blush, and this side no blush. That's it. This is what I do. And I also apply mascara, but I'm really not feeling like I'm feeling very lazy to apply mascara or anything else. So I'm gonna skip it, and I'm ready to apply some perfume. And done. My jacket is here, so I am ready. Mine is taking bath. He's also, I think, gonna be ready in 5 minutes. Mom is getting ready, so let's go. Yes, mom is ready. Look at her. She takes out like new clothes every single day. She is ready. She's wearing a nice orange kurti, right? With some pants and ready. And Marvel is right behind there. Anyways, Mayank is also. Marvel, come on here. Marvel, come. Lam treats. Come on. We gotta go now. Off kar denge abhi. So anyways, everyone is ready. Let's go. I need to go and wear my shoes. And super excited for the food. Super excited. Yeah, Marvel is like, you guys are going?
Oh my god. So this is chicken, dorwat, and the food is here. This is called injera. So this is injera. This is misir, which is lentil, red lentils.
Yeah.
This is mixed vegetables. This is chicken dorwat. It is served with eggs. This is some salad. And this is the chickpea curry.
Curry. Chickpea
Look
sauce
at
kind
this
of.
chickpea sauce.
And these are injera. So you have to eat it with your hands.
Guys, trust me, if you can smell this food. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Mama, you wanna go ahead and try a little bit? Injera. You try and tell us how is it?
I want to try that chicken.
I can give them in my office.
Good?
So this chicken is cooked for 12 to 14 hours, guys. So anyways, I can't stop anymore. So I have to stop you guys watching this and go eat it. Okay, so we are heading back home. I think she is Instagramming right now, and we ate so much. And Mama loved the food. Mama, खाना कैसा लगा आपको?
Oh God, excellent. One must not miss this food.
Yep.
So
Everybody must try this.
So good.
yeah.
We are
So-
stuffed, like literally stuffed.
So if you guys have any Ethiopian restaurants near you,
Yes.
make sure that you go and try it out.
Yeah.
And if you live in the Jupiter area or in
West
West
Palm
Palm Beach, Wellington, whatever, do comment and let us know if there is another restaurant nearby. I mean, Google doesn't tell us, so I won't think that there is. But
Yeah.
still, I mean, if you also let us know your favorite cuisine. And maybe recommend us a restaurant or a cuisine that we should go and try.
Yeah.
So, yes. With that said, we are gonna head back home now.
We are back home, going up, and it is so cold. Did everyone enjoy?
Yes.
Did you enjoy?
She said yes.
Okay. Good morning, guys. So last night we were watching Manikarnika, that movie, and I'm sorry if I'm spelling it wrong, pronouncing it wrong. But yes, it was an amazing movie. We had so much of fun watching it, and we slept. We couldn't actually finish the movie. We are gonna finish the last 20 minutes right now because we were so tired and so sleepy, so we just went off to sleep. Anyways, right now what is happening is I am making tea for everybody. Water is heating up in there, and I'm gonna be making my tea, probiotic, and collagen that I always do, like every single morning. So that is what is happening. And yeah, tomorrow we are leaving for Key West. So super excited. You guys are gonna see so much of fun in the vlogs, and that's it. So I'm gonna end this vlog right now so that I can start a new one, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye.